Can I put it?
Fine. Wait. Okay. That wasn't very satisfying. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright, guys, so today I'm doing a giant water slime, and yeah. So this has been kind of trending on Instagram. Basically, it's a just clear slime, and you put so much water in it that it looks like water, and it's kind of like really, really jiggly, kind of like water, but it's like Slimeatory. It's really cool. I really like to do a giant one of it, and it'll probably like clear up very fast because it's very jiggly. And also, guys, there's a little announcement. I'm gonna be having another meet and greet, and I'm so excited. And also, it's gonna be my whole family too. So yeah, and it's gonna be July 28th around 3 p.m. at Castles and Coasters. I have a whole more information about it in the description down below. And it is also kind of like dedicated to my brother's 21st birthday, which is July 10th. So it's like 10 days after, 18 days after. So, but yeah. But if you guys want to give him a little gift for his birthday, you can do that, but you don't have to. And yeah, we'll also be having some giveaways, some slime giveaways, and some ticket giveaways. So yeah, and also today's like my challenge. We try to press like button with your wrist right here, like that. Boom. And let's go straight on into the video. Yo. So guys, I'm gonna make two slimes. The first one I'm making is a completely clear slime, so it'll be kind of like water slime. And then the second one, I'm gonna make a really nice glittery slime. So yeah. So first, we gotta start with the glue. And by the way, I don't really have an exact recipe. I don't know how to make it yet, but I'm just gonna guess it's clear glue and water. But I don't really think there's any other recipe to that. Maybe better measurements, but I don't think so. First, I'm just gonna start off with 1 gallon of Darius glue. Darius glue is like almost as thick as Elmer's. It has like a different texture, but it's like $10 a gallon instead of like 20. So it's a good glue. You guys should definitely check it out if you want some quality clear glue for a pretty good amount. Or Color Splash, but like it's the same price, just Color Splash is thinner. Okay, well, since it's supposed to be really, really watery, I just realized that I'm not supposed to put the whole gallon. I guess I'll just leave it like this. Hopefully it's watery enough, but we should go ahead and fill this up with water. So 1 second.
Whoa!
Ah!
Dang, how do you do that, Ameerah?
I honestly don't know. I just snap and then something happens.
I wonder what if you snap again right now. What the heck?
What the?
Okay, I don't think we should snap anymore. That's crazy.
Please.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, maybe we should snap more.
Okay, one more time.
So, back to the clear slime, guys. Yeah, I filled it up with water. The bottom is glue. It might be mixed by now, but I just want to show you guys how watery this slime is. Look at inside. Look at how jiggly. Okay, anyways, let me just start mixing this. I think it's already mixed. It's like, I can't even tell if it's mixed or not because it's so thin. Maybe I might need more glue. I don't think I will, but I don't know. I feel like I might need more glue. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue, guys, because I feel like it, okay? Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add the activator. I have some weak activator here. Apparently, I've learned that weak activator activates easier and faster. If you're having a problem with slimes, you keep over-activating them, it might be because your activator is too strong. This is really cool, guys. It's like instant clear slime. Okay, let me add more. It's crazy how thin it can be and how thick it can get, you know? It was just water. It was just this right here. And now it became this. Like, what the heck? When you just put very weak activator, it like activates it instantly. That's why it's like clear already. Guys, this feels so cool. Like, it's really soft. I don't know. I feel like it's still a little bit too thick, but it's pretty good still. Stick it to my counter, so maybe that means that it's good. This seems like water slime, guys. I think I made water slime. Look at that, guys. I think I made water slime. Oh my god. Okay. It's getting really hard to mix when I'm falling. This one I'm gonna keep clear, but the next one I think I'm gonna try and make it look like an aqua, very light blue, just to see like if it looks like an ocean or something. Look at that, guys. I'm happy. And it's like not even like bubbly because of how jiggly it is. Let's see. Do some ASMR. I think the original one, I think it's Bomb Slimes. I think hers is a little bit thinner though, but like, I think mine's pretty good. Look at that. I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and I think the bubbles should come up very quickly. Maybe in about like an hour, hopefully less, maybe 30 minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other one. I'm gonna try and make like some type of ocean looking one, because I wanna see how that would look. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try on the next one. This is going pretty quick, I think. Let's just do a little update. It's been about 10 minutes. You guys might be wondering why it took 10 minutes to start this other one. It's because I was making my own dye so that I wouldn't over dye this one, because I always do. So yeah. This time I'm gonna make this one, I think I'm gonna try and make it a little bit thicker. So like not as much water, basically. Okay, I got some water, guys. Like I said, I'm not gonna make this one as thin. So yeah. I don't have my other hand to squish it, guys. I'm sorry, this is taking a while. Paul. Hey, there it is. Guys, for some reason my glue is getting foggy just with water, and I think this is tap water, so maybe like the tap water here is just terrible or something. But like, look at that. Usually that happens with like oil, but not this. Okay, so this one is definitely a lot thicker. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add a few drops of this very diluted dye that I made just so that I made sure not to ruin the slime. That looks really cool, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Wow, I like this dye, it's cool. So I know I was gonna say I know I said glittery, but I kind of don't really want to do that. I'll add it after, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate this. Okay, I'm sorry, I got really freaked out. Add some more activator. By the way, guys, I dyed it a little bit more because the last time I made a very diluted food dye, the dye completely like just disappeared. It was this pink slime, used to be pink slime over here. That used to be like a really, really pretty light shade of pink, but then it just like melted out or something. Guys, this one is definitely a lot harder to activate. The other one, like I literally just put the activator, I went like this, I wiggled a little bit, and bam, it was done. But like this one's taking a little bit of kneading.
You can see the chunks.
Yeah, you guys can actually see the chunks right now. This is really hard to make because like I'm trying to go like this, but it's just like flicking everywhere. Paul is a mess. I got glue all over him.
That's okay, I'm used to it.
Yeah, he's used to it, especially with Charlie, you know, in his FBNC time. So guys, this became very, very thick, a lot thicker than I expected. I should have expected that because of that one, but yeah, but look at how freaking thick it got. Like, I put so much water in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more water just to try and make it a little bit thinner. And yeah.
I got you.
Ow, that's hot. All right, I think that should be Gucci. Okay, and I will see you guys later when I do this. Oh, guys, I'm finally done with this freaking slime. It took so long. It is a lot thicker than I anticipated, but we got a lot of bubbles. But anyways, here's how it turned out. It is very thick, as you can tell. But it is pretty jiggly still, so you know, if you like a water slime that is a little bit less jiggly than the other ones, then I did a good job. Guys, look. Cool, I made a water slime. It's getting those bubbles away, but it just has these like tiny bubbles, guys, so it's almost done, I think. But let's just go ahead and keep going with this one. But this time I'm gonna try and do some ASMR because it looks so cool. So there's an activator. Which one do you like better as a water slime? Do you like this one better? And if it was like clear, you know? Or do you like this one better? Oh my god, it's so watery. Look at how watery it is, guys. I feel like this is a real water slime. I like this one better, guys. Look at how cool it is. It's literally water. I'm gonna try and do that really fast ASMR that they always do. All right, I'm gonna try and do the really fast one, okay? Oh, that's how you do it without getting any slime on your hands. This was from before, guys. This looks awesome. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. It literally looks like there's water, thick water coming from my fingers. Then we got this one. Let me try and do some fast ASMR with this one.
Doesn't work.
It's too thick. Experiments with my water slime. I want to put like shaving cream and instant stone and like fishbowl beads in it, so yeah. Okay, so let me just grab some really quick. I just got my hands clean and now they're dirty again. Okay, first we're gonna put some blue and then I'm gonna do shaving cream. I have a tiny little shaving cream bottle because I think it's cute. All right, let's go. But it did turn out pretty cool. Like, I like the texture. Kind of like became a little bit less sticky and like more creamy, I guess, you know. Probably because I put shaving cream in it. But like, I actually kind of like the texture. I want to put a little bit more. Yeah, I like it. I think test number one was a success, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more activator and we can get on to the next one. It's hard to keep this slime together. Yeah, this isn't working out, guys. Okay, well, I kind of liked it. I like the ASMR. I kind of mixed it a little too quick. I feel like maybe if I added more activator, but yeah, I like the ASMR. Second test, guys, I'll be putting a fishbowl and I'm gonna make it yellow. So let's go. So I put the yellow ready and let's put the fishbowl. I think I'm gonna add like that much because it's probably not gonna work. Oh, like it. Wow, that actually looks really cool. And it kind of reminds me of like popcorn.
Looks really awesome.
Yeah, I like this. Gotta do one like this called buttery popcorn.
Sticky buttery popcorn.
Sticky buttery popcorn, perfect. It's not the most satisfying, but it is definitely satisfying to see it mix it. Okay, well, I think this one was half a success.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a 7 out of 10 because I like it. I think it's pretty cool, just like it's not very nice to touch. Okay, well, let me just go ahead and get on to the next one. So, last thing we're gonna do, guys, is fluffy slime. Wait, no, not fluffy slime. I meant like fluff slime. So I'm gonna be putting instant snow in it, and yeah, okay. I feel like this might not be the best idea, just because of how like watery this is, you know, and like cloud slime needs to be like less, like more activated.
Stuff.
It needs to be stronger. I don't really know what I'm saying, but
Can I put it?
fine. Wait. Okay, that wasn't very satisfying. I want to dye this with pink. Oh, I actually like the color of that. Wow, this actually turned out pretty cool.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Wow, this is actually really cool. I like this one a lot. I like it, Miss Burgundy. It's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful.
I like it. It's
Yeah.
not sticky anymore.
Kinda, it's getting a little sticky. Wow, I thought this one would like work the least, and it worked the best. I thought this one was gonna be a complete fail, but like this one worked very well, guys. I think I need more activator. I'm gonna add a lot more. This is so satisfying.
I got you.
Yeah, that is satisfying. Wait, can you spread it? Why has nobody done that? Oh my god, did we just invent a new ASMR, the ice cream ASMR? Okay, we got our ice cream right here, guys. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of fruit on our ice cream. A little bit of sprinkles. And then some sugar. Now we do the ice cream. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. This has to be a new type of ASMR, guys. And there is the slime. That actually looked really cool. You guys, we need to make that a trend. This freaking ice cream ASMR, ice cream slime ASMR, best thing ever. Okay, well guys, this was really, really fun. I don't really think that the water slime has completely cleared up now, but yeah. And it's really, really cool. I made a lot of slime dough. That was only like a gallon, right? No, that was like half a gallon. I made like a whole bucket of slime, so yeah. Anybody want a whole bucket of slime for like $5? Okay, well that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye!